Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to learn over 100 daily use English sentences. These are the sentences you will use from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep. And the best part is, I will not just read them for you. I will tell you exactly when and how to use them in real life. So let us begin. It is 7 in the morning and your alarm is ringing. What do you say? I woke up late today. Let me hit the snooze button for 5 more minutes. I need to get ready as soon as possible. Now, someone asks you, what is for breakfast? You can say, I will just have a quick bite. Can you pass me the butter, please? I am in a rush, so I will grab a sandwich on the way. Also remember these small morning phrases. I need to brush my teeth. Where are my keys? I cannot find my phone. Did I lock the door? These are very common and very useful. Now you are at work or at college. Your boss or teacher gives you a new task. What do you say? Could you please clarify the deadline? I am almost done with the project. Just give me 5 more minutes to wrap this up. Now, colleague asks you if you are going out for lunch. You can answer like this. Not today, I brought my lunch from home. Let us catch up during the break. I will join you guys in a little while. Here are some more office-friendly sentences. Can you please send me that email again? I will get back to you by evening. Let us schedule a meeting for tomorrow morning. That sounds like a good plan. I completely agree with you. Now let's move to the evening. You are at a supermarket or a local shop. You want to buy something. Say these sentences. Do you have this in a larger size? Can I get a discount on this? I am just browsing, thank you. The shopkeeper tells you the price. That will be $500. Now you reply. Here you go, keep the change. Do you accept cards? Can I get a receipt, please? And if you do not want to buy anything, just say, I'm just looking, thanks. It is simple, polite, and very natural. Now, you are back home. Dinner is ready, and your family is sitting with you. Ask this question. What is for dinner tonight? Then after eating, you can say, this dish tastes amazing. I am so full, I cannot eat another bite. Your mom or partner asks you about your day. How was your day at work? You can keep your answer short and real. Nothing special, just the usual chaos. I had a hectic day, but I am glad to be home. Let us watch something together after dinner. Also try these sentences at home. Can you help me with the dishes? I will take out the trash. Where is the remote? Let me call mom and check on her. Now, it is 11 at night. You are sleepy, but your phone is very tempting. What do you say? I should probably get some sleep now. I will just scroll through my phone for a bit. Set the alarm for 6 in the morning, please. Someone wishes you good night. You reply, good night, see you in the morning. Sweet dreams. And do not forget these bedtime sentences. I'm feeling really tired today. Today was a long day. I hope I sleep well tonight. Let me read a book before sleeping. Now, it is time to look back at everything we learned today. We started with waking up in the morning. Then we went to work or college. We did some shopping in the evening. We came back home and spent time with family. And finally, we went to bed. These are the small moments of your daily life. And now, you have English sentences for all of them. But here is the real secret. Do not just remember these sentences. Use them. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, stand in front of the mirror and say at least 5 sentences out loud. Yes, out loud. That is how you train your brain to speak naturally. Do not worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. What matters is that you keep trying. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. English is not about perfection. English is about connection. When you speak, you connect with people. And these daily sentences are your first step. So take that step. I believe in you. Now, before we end, let me ask you a question. Which sentence from today did you like the most? Or better yet, write your own daily sentence in the comments. I will feature the best ones in my next video. And if this video helped you even a little bit, please hit the like button. Share this with a friend who is struggling with spoken English. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. We have many more videos coming for you. I will see you tomorrow with another lesson. Until then, keep speaking, keep growing, and keep shining. Bye, and take care. Subscribe for more videos.